Hey there, folks. Today we are talking about the AstroAI Car Vacuum, a must-have for anyone who loves to keep their car clean and tidy. This portable handheld vacuum cleaner packs a punch with 7,500 PA of suction power and upgraded aluminum fan blades. It's designed to quickly clean dry debris on level surfaces, so say goodbye to dust and dirt in your car. The car vacuum comes with a high-capacity 560 ml visible dust cup, making it easy to clean up lots of dirt and dust. Plus, the super wide-angle LED light provides a clear view, so you can easily clean even the darkest corners of your car. And with the washable filter and extra 2 filters included, maintenance is a breeze. But that's not all. This car cleaning kit also comes with 3 different nozzles to meet various cleaning demands and a 5-meter power cord for those hard-to-reach spots. And with its compact design and lightweight build, using the AstroAI Car Vacuum is a breeze. So if you're tired of lugging around a clunky vacuum or dealing with a messy car interior, it's time to invest in the AstroAI Car Vacuum. Trust me, you won't regret it. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car accessories and reviews. Happy cleaning!